guys, it's me William, and today I am very sorry that I haven't made a video for a while because I had to fly back to my house. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Eddie Brock and Venom from the new Venom movie. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, we have Venom. Actually, no, it's not Venom, it's actually Eddie Brock. I'm sorry, guys. So the hair, I don't know why I get the hair, but you can get it from like Avengers Tony Stark, like Avengers Age of Ultron, and yeah, you can get this hair. So the head is from Star-Lord and Bucky Barnes. So I used this face for to make like the symbiote goes all over his face so he can be Venom. So yeah, so I just draw that black, and this is what he looks like now. So yeah, that's the head. Watch this, this back on. Okay, I use like this back piece from Avengers Infinity War, like those like little like villains thingy, like those little bad villains, but I don't know what it's called. But if you know, let me know in the comment section below where I got this from. So the torso is from maybe I don't know where I got this from, but if you know, just tell me in the comment section below. But I used the left black, actually the right black arm, so I could go over to his like symbiote, and yeah, and I used this one regular on. So yeah, that's Venom. I mean Eddie Brock. So I use like a white like texture touch to it, and then try to paint it like all white. I didn't paint the face, I'm sorry. But so you know why he's tall? Because I use these 1x1 plate pieces, and they work really well. Yeah, they work really well. So if you see Spider-Man and Venom, you can see Venom is pretty much taller than Spider-Man. So you can see, so that's why Venom is like much taller than anyone. So yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.